Hello, class. I wanted to go ahead and go over Trendline and making sure that it's forecasted forward and backwards correctly. This is a common mistake I see for this one. So you have everything done and you got your trend line and you look at your tables to figure out how far forward and backwards it goes. And you accidentally use the last value from 22 to 25. So that looks like it's only going forward 3. And then you take the 10 to the 5, so it looks like it's going back 5. So if you click on your line, go to the trend line option, you go down, you see that those values are under. This is a common mistake. It's going forward 3, 22 to 25, and 10 to 5. Well, if you notice the first table is not in order, so you want to make sure that you're finding the smallest and largest values from both tables to determine how far forward or backwards it is forecasting. So we'll do the forward first since that's what's listed on here. So we look for our highest value and we find that the highest value is really 23. So we're going lost my part. So I'm really going from 23 to 25. So I only want 2 for this one to go forward. This is going to make our trend line so that it goes to the correct. So you see now it's stopping at 25, which is what our table does. The trend line represents this table. The plotted points represent the original. Okay, now backwards, again, let's look for the smallest value. Well, in this case, it's 9 and not 10. So to go from 9 to 5 is only 4. Okay, so now we have our values where we have the 2 and the 4. And if we close this, gives us a little better view. You can see that the trend line is starting at 5, which is what our table is doing. And it's going to 25, which is what our table does. So again, that trend line should represent the calculated values for your predicted values. The dots are representing what you use to get that linear model. All right. I hope that was helpful in getting your trend line done correctly. Have a good day.